Dustin Fellas, whose first single of 1976 went gold just a few months ago. And even as I stand here running my jaws, their second one is making its way steadily up to the top of the charts. Great way to start a new year for England Dan and John Ford Cole.
Na-experience ko talaga naman maubos talaga ang resistensya. But he has to do it to develop his quickness and mabilis bang pagbalik in case of karoon ng error sa kabilang court, mabilis ka agad bumalik. Common problem ng mga players ngayon, pag nagka-error na, wala na. Develop talaga ang speed.
It's been such a long time and I really do miss your smile. I'm not talking about moving in and I don't want to change your life.
Huwag yung jogging.
There's a warm wind blowing the stars around.
So ngayon 3 sets lang muna. Kung hindi pa kaya ni Jeric. Ang goal is that after 1 month kaya na niya 20 sets. So next drill naman gagawin natin, guys. Develop natin yung lateral sa Jeric. Baba pakatawan yan. Kasi kahapon naglaro kami 5, hindi niya alam paano kumipenta ng awang bata. So siguro in 1 year's time tuturuan natin one of the top defenders ng Jeric. Maganda attitude ng bata, his willingness to learn. Okay, footwork drills, wala tayong mga ladder, so ano na lang, importante na develop nila yung support habang maaga. So 16 years old na si Jeric, sana umabot sa 5'10", karoon siya ng growth spurt. So at least kahit paano maging varsity siya dito sa mga schools sa Zamboanga, at least na-accomplish na natin. Gusto niya na libre siya sa tuition. So walang muna, dahan-dahan lang. 1 to 100 lang. After 1 month, 1 to 500, kailangan ma-develop talaga yung footwork. Yun. Basta magtyaga ang batang matuto, he'll definitely go places. Etong exercise na to, drill na to, sabi ni Shaq O'Neal, ang nakatulong sa pag-improve ng kanyang vertical leap. So tingnan natin kay Jeric na after 5 months siguro, kaya na niya mag-dunk. Si Jeric pa sumunod sa mga ganyang drills, but anyway, sama talaga first time maglaro ng basketball. So this is a drill to improve how to give solid picks. So medyo kengkoy pa si Jeric. He cannot simply follow yung drill na yun. But it takes time. Ngayon lang naman siya mag-aaral ng basketball. Yun! Siguro nagkulang ako sa turo. I will demonstrate again hanggat mo-perfect niya. Thank you guys. Back to ball handling skills tayo kay Jeric. Medyo nakapipick up niya yung mga drills na to, yung wrap around the body na drill to improve ball handling skills. So magtiyaga si Jeric. I think hopefully he will make the Gilas lineup in 2027 or kahit na sa under 19 man lang. Okay, go. Ganun ulit. Ulo naman sa ulo. Yan, dahan-dahan lang. Ito, next na tuturo natin kay Jeric is how to do the finger roll layup. Maraming players talaga naglalaro na sa court. hanggang ngayon hindi pa marunong mag-finger roll layup. Basically, it's because laro-laro hindi nag-aral ng basics, basic na basketball fundamentals. So we're teaching Jeric how to do a finger roll layup. Nag-aaral si Jeric how to do the finger roll layup. So siguro in 3 days makukuha na niya yan. Makukuha na niya yung timing. Yun lang, kung hindi pa niya ma-perfect kung saan dapat ang tama ng bola, part of the board. Dahan-dahan lang para ma-perfect mo. Kahit paano, ngayon lang yan nag-aaral ng layup na isushoot na niya. Medyo kengkoy pa talaga kasi bago pa lang eh. Late na nag-aaral ng basketball. 16 years old na magsisimula mag-aaral. So mahabang maraming hahabulin. Hindi katulad natin, katulad ng mga ibang bata, 8 years old pa lang humahawak na ng bola. Si Jeric ngayon lang humawak ng bola. Gusto raw niya talaga matuto, so I'll give him all the time and effort to train him to become a very good player. Ano nagawa mo? 10.